got you a new car.
You got a new car?
I got my driver's license like OMG.
Oh
You're
God.
12 years old. I can drive. Come here.
Oh my God, is that your car?
This? No.
What about that?
No.
Then where's your car?
That's my car.
What? What? So, wow.
Watch out, world. Here comes Michelle. Woo!
I think your car just broke.
You guys want to ride? Lift your feet. Maybe it'll go.
Can you hold passengers?
Yes, you can hold fast. Just right there. Lift your feet. Here, lift your feet. Lift your feet.
So what are you going to do in traffic?
I stay like this.
Watch out, car! A real car!
All I need is someone to push me from behind. A car accident. You broke your car.
You can carry your car. Let's see the inside of the car. Hey, look that. Oh,
You guys did to my car.
Look at your shoes. They have your feet on them already.
That's why we're stuck. Look what you guys did to my car.
Oh, here's your toothpaste.
Oh, get away.
Here's another shoe. You leave your stuff behind?
You guys broke my car. You broke my first car. I'm so mad, you guys. Like, OMG. Why did you ruin my first car? Look at my belongings. They're on the road.
Oh, there's... Uh-oh.
This is my real car! Get out of my face! Stop! Leave me! Get away from my belongings!
Michelle, why do you have two of the same purse? Two of the same. Here, put this in your car. And your haircut. And your shoe with the foot in it. Whatever that is. Oh wait.
Wow, that could fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. 6 people. How do you feel about that?
You guys ruined it.
And how do you feel about that?
You bet. You guys ruined my first car.
And how do you feel about that?
I'm mad. I'm mad. yeah. We're gonna wrap this up now. Say goodbye, Michelle. Tell your car to say goodbye.
I'm going into